Happy Sunday to you all. But of me more kwa babim. And then so a da for frostum kokra a yasan a share beam. And nasia kesiye and koma abwafwa. Ona soma sinina. Ene wadani da unya bre. Na woje bre. Na wo sheme. Bijidi se nyankopon adom. Oni ebusuani nyina. Ohoye. Minim se dru kwasi adase ya wo se mini bebia mehwe. Actress Nayas experiences pe. Ena mehwe edru kwasi ada. Beda wase. Na me onko so nyi oyi ma me wate. Frobi no obi mfrobi. Aka chom say ye na ya saba. Bedafo Jeffas mixture. Edri. Isi betu yare dom ni nyina efiri so. Entena se ema yare no endokro. Entena se ema yare no enje omboso. Herbal medicine ba ko pa che se Ghana eni abrochi baby a de obi agina tum. Eye chifas mixture. Betu yare ni nyina se hepatitis B, malaria, typhoid, menstrual pain, any area hora ekeka ho nyinara. Bedofo tutu emrikei na kutubi. Ibisi demo ho. Na ne ebusuya no. Esremo ha. Monchemfa wate. Fa number ne sisi ya. Baby bia wo bedru bia e wo heba shop na se pharmacy shop bia ubinya bi. Na uria emema no abasubo die obi enim say eye Jeffas P capsules pe medofo tutu emrekei be me entena se na oba ne mfa wanim enya fomo misraw esese be ma de bo adwuma oyere wo ho na empemu agro no wini wo ba no wini wo ba ne hats ti baby awobiaro tutu emrekei. Angel beverages, angel drinks, anum dear, yea, anum dear. A good minimum, a coyo. But of baby, I will be yarn to America. Na what you dear, just a beverages, sugar be anymore. Sugar be a kitty. Flavors nini nebi ho. Be say, the uncolani lawyers near doctors a teach you from very wap just say you are falling for a crowd in your jay. When you're the pan will be boss to an actress and no young conqueror. So, baby be a obia to tell me cat na could two dear. Quajo shoes and pabwa papa if he quajo shoes. I will dance some roadness so Sakaman Junction and soon me. Road na so ena kwajo shoes ewo fa kwajo shoes number ne na baby a obia medofo ko na kwajo di empabo papa efe na hodin wom empabo ani enya empabo na oto ya utu na ba ko mi no na ase ya wa ni bi na ase etu ni bi tutu America matari ehye mi 2PC mi beautiful 2PC if you debis closet Debbie's say one in the conversation Debbie's closet me pacho Debbie's closet ko TikTok but Debbie and I said Debbie's closet atari ahoro wo pe bia no pomode na DM ana fa ne number no afa send no e wo WhatsApp ne so na baby awo bia no obey delivery at the amount but of way yay me braided hair me cornrow yi nanu aye shame bi nkofo kasa na yasa yata hye ne fataw chese ema wenim da ho se Angel TV no no kre misro if we cute cats palo emi na efese biso baby bia owo bia no se ba na wi papa fi dia emfa weni nkire baby a fa weni chim ewo apeka junction na so opposite Echo Bank cute cats palo enwi ahuru bia opibia ebeye ediama fa number ne sisia papago furniture enkunya papa ehotse na ahodin wom one location Kisema junction ne so ho no wa medofo to America akwaje wo mgusu sales chese yatete niyema ne so ankasa discount no yat chese them say 50% to say 40% office furniture chese bi omo wallpaper curtains blinds chese bi ewo ho to America akwaje medofo men say imri bi twa me ho akwa surprise abrosisia nti tami chuku afrobi obi mfrobi mebesia ye mi mo akwa babi mu e de mo ba experiences in life so na dem si nipa me de na ebrem mo surprising odi yen hwa de emra sisia aha eti mo hwe hwan ya eye PM enne minsaka mi PM ewo fie ha PM to kese ahofadua trese DiAsa mu kenkon the whole superstar cash ene misaka no mi fie ayene no ebe share na brabum experiences and now mama let's take mama let's take mama and I'm superstar Kumawood actress osan here businesswoman misaka no so ofia say ye bedin komo PM ebe share na brabum life experiences eti yankwe na enkomo akwaba I was here for ye mamu nyina akwabo PM woni madia emi fe pa wo hu
da we do ka chere
oto eni chese wanentu etisi fom eni ade ba ko a oyi ana ekumi kra ye wo sere ye no PM fe ne sia chese yana em sa say menye agudie bibi na ma na ase metu ahu agudie bi wo fom PM bibi aboko di
ya mi adom ye moko ya mi adom
ne kasa ne jese ya mi adom ya mi adom ya mi adom ampa mama let's take na ho ye
ya mi adom mi ho ye
pa boko wow
now see Kumawood actress versatile baby ya
oh okay
ye glamour na me epic no so
PM PM no ye pesi hu se dian kasa na se ebisi ehu dian kasa ehye adakema umame ana wawofo edema
okay ansa na me ansa no mechia adofo no machia obi bia was support PM Rain's brand to this extent. I want to say God bless you all and my loved one, my family, my haters, everybody. Thank you.
Hey, your haters. Yeah. Do you have haters?
In life, we have haters. Sometimes you will know. Won't me who say you're a hater, but who post it, you will say, I'm more comment section down. I'm not much your team say, this is my, if I will keyboard warriors. Yes. Eya na ebi me ka say PM na eya na ajo ana say me na me ko find say be brand that to me so but entisa surprisingly no baby am me din PM no you know apart from say me call DiAsa no because reality show be a friend of Sexual Plus.
Oh okay.
Yeah. So that was on 2013.
Oh.
Yeah, because Sexual Plus means me TV station.
Yeah.
Yes. So me call you know me that's some kind of me papa ayare.
Okay.
Nti TV ho no say ukra also to me try to unya sa reality we in moment na so okay. Nti o wa no ye peke na ma ye koye. Ye ko hia ye peke ye koye nkofo dawson. Edru me so ni etimi ye dey ye fire. Judges ne baako card yes two baako card no. Ma me call exercise nyina echi ni nyina echi yes ya do mo fa me. Into no more office war Jolu highway ni so Sexual Plus
oh okay
Ti e koy na afi ye se obi anfa edin obe yusu. Stage. Yes, or stage name. Nti me de abawo pa ma chocho list bebre we say oh sexy diva, sexy obolo, tipsy. Ma me hear me na say ba me wo de mbodi bi e short bi.
Okay.
So woman no sorry say me finish day but ona na e chaperon.
Okay.
Yeah, on the case okay. What obisam say me din me full name ye day. Na me butcher no. That was Precious Mensah.
Okay.
And also okay any fa P ne fa M near day. Account that is Mr. Mrs. Me. Yeah.
Okay.
Ono na na e chaperon make success plus. Until that is how I had my name.
Okay.
Until me di free ho na me name mo and I'm who say social media no a platform man. It's going to help.
Okay.
So I started that channel near dear me be most juma you know in life and cause certain channels via you ube share nyama be on my sometimes positive it means a negative. So me wanna me call from a friend say me call year registration be or APES.
Okay.
The APES so how no year advertising company.
Okay.
In case of so your advert and I say via so when you call me you know and I'm seeing to more plus size I'm on my adverts. So that time no na I didn't go in since mo say adverts number na glow adverts.
Oh, okay.
Into no na omenye bi wo Nigeria dada. Omeye main advert ni tika me fa wa ha nka me billboard ni voice over. Ho na sika ni do so no. But unfortunately kululu bi ko share Nigeria ho ma ni fa ni nya na say video ni pe no mo pe wa ha.
Oh, okay.
And I'm the koye adverts into 2013 ni mu na. Me de call me name Madam Fubi Mary ono so neto so pa
se sa wodi em
oh hey me auntie don't go there it's all there so pa aka mami
na te oh okay
yeah
ese to no ewabusuan nim ewabusuan chemfa maji ye nyina ye de aboso
body ni de baby
everywhere 8 p.m. co school when fa
because school or I don't think senior high school and a private school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, crying check be a homecoming. That will be July to August. Yeah, I will going to me highway in so.
Oh, okay.
I want to be cool school.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's a brother na uri school.
Me went school in early say 2000s anymore.
Any ache.
Any ache.
SS. Secondary school, right?
Secondary school.
Any ache pa.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, mama, you do so.
Me mama my year for 2 boys, 2 girls. Me your last one cried me Brian side.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very handsome boy.
Yeah.
Wow. Met it in a man girl. PM. Abrabum to say.
Okay, make say enye. Say I'm sway dear men can say me she den twe mu 100 and I am call 40.
Okay.
But kakra na mafim na ye so a climb me.
Okay. E kwan ben na PM fa so a obewura DiAsa mu.
Okay, DiAsa no season 1. Belinda may you say rest in perfect peace. Madam Fubrebo me nia ma de nyina me ne ko share o busy plus.
Okay.
And you find your uncle. So no link name be seen so. And you call your advert ma DiAsa for season 1.
Oh, okay.
So you call your advert ni mo no. Me I made them who say na me that time young girl my son she. So you may be about they say free wa and they would dim. Because when you so ko peka kra dey aye sort onyema hot. It's you call your advert ni mo no. Now one for oh season 1, send you call viral. People were thinking, say, I'm part of it. But not me in Kahun. It's in my yes, and oh, come be a oh, I didn't want call register for next season. Yeah, then I'm so me need serving Mr. Mary. Ain't me, Auntie Mary, at a mammy or Caswa.
Okay.
Only the crew last summer, our Canada. You call one time be. Nti akwa we a ni kunu ye kokko ko chile ni ade sometimes obefa ho akoton ade
PM nchwa na ope chilling pa
oh chilling there life is too short you need to share some hours and you need to chill
okay
you understand?
Okay. Yeah.
I say you need to chill. Okay. So you call kwa wono oh yeah chili bi ya chili ni eton bi It's a one woman be or baby a cost no, and he fe be or no ah, mammy, me shower or could DiAsa bebo. To come a beer or DiAsa could DiAsa, or DiAsa could DiAsa. Me go am my bread, any DiAsa. I'm saying me adverse mom season one, so I don't have no interest. No, so I want to urge you. I want you to go. I'm so okay. Sad time ni mo na. That was 2019 time ni mo. That time no more yet. On my lunch navy or more yet. Open from no almost at work.
Okay.
So mo ba akra na me wa ha. Chum. Inti me ma me kwa man kra me busi ani me fiefo nyina me share me boot share me biker short na me to modo me market. Wow. Me call ye na ge si ho mi o mu yem di gegem because body o mo hwe no abi na me da. Me ko nya na obi ase me ge we ene me film kofo bebre to say by 5 e can say no don't register again, they'll come next season because they know since they don't have chance if I'm there. But I want since when God says it's your time,
then it's your time.
No matter what, if like because me say me coach you fear no, I mean if they can me do fear for some time. Me auntie the cast okay, won't you consider me say oh me oh na me share nyema me fa me boots share me jersey top e share me biker me fa car me kuma no ye dress and no ah owusu a no say ah na me ye friend me abna no say ah adi nti na e kuba wo kwai na me say kuma me check ade o each try ho baby aba ah nti o ase mo fie bi owo yi body de bi ba me kwai na me qualify no city akra me time no na on base zone no we renew odomia we be call tema nti na say we be originals and sane afaw nti no ye fa me wo domino and ye originals no ti ye originals ne de call tema nti me fi domi ba no na ye bom me say fi domia be do fie ti me be do fie no na me fie gate ayema
from Domi to Central Hill.
To Central, me be do fie na me fie ayema ba na me say na dey man kan chiro bia o me refi say TV so na go here no.
Okay.
Yeah, because the thing about we meant me kan chiro bia ne say me kai say me come sexel me susu ho chenko for I told my friends and stuff omuka say oh Charlie doggy we dey via me ni ade I'm so okay it me free ho na me to me ho for say me ko ye bibia I won't tell anybody about it. Okay. I'll make the move first say me ko na 50-50 it's a praise on my side. You connect to Nsuma. Well, who many name did see one say me rahua. Oh, bomb me now catch it. Oh, beside me there, the animal catcher say, Charlie, because yes, I'm Joe Bina. Insist so then, be the Maria who are for my can't be could see each other. But I said, make her from the beginning there because I want me home like Bibi, because Bibi na make catch you beer. It doesn't succeed. So I don't tell people anything I want to do.
At the time I would call DiAsa na unim say ube wini ana because wo kono na nkofo bebre wo mti na unim say wo de wo to kese no kwa kan wo masha na say because na so moto no wo de na no wo den chi wo mu nyina ho na hu ni sesen. To
be realistic because DiAsa I didn't have the mind say be kwa kuwini because at the end day no even though said they were looking for body no but no more other things are on motion. Okay. Apart from so body, no, you need to have the energy. Also, to me, what skills, no, you need to be creativity. And also to me, sir. You may say no, na me sad day, but na me Mike. Mean to me, start to say Michael Jackson. Me so I mean dance Lloyd, and I mean so I mean to me incredible Ziggy story. But me kakra meeting ya, you know, I can do it. So I didn't have the mind say no. Internet e bi mo yire omo ho e bi acrobatic e bi de omo kon wo ho me de asano me nkoye rehearsals ba me ti beat na me say me de me sa aye bibia okay me de alo be him say na body ne dia ene ye de yire ye ho say ye ti me ma pause ni akonu usio na mo back pay ya sa me to aso wow yes odi for wetin me di ma dance odi for so ba me sa an maka ma ka say Mama is says you ma kono man ma beto aso. You understand? Because then na me sheda na me so. Nti na me timi me ho gidi sa ba me wie ye no you say oh house on ma omo do fa nyema bebre mu you who say show no is not all about say you win alone. They'll groom you. Oh okay. And when they groom you they'll give you the platform. It's you have to use as a mileage for yourself. And therefore to pass you a healthy lifestyle. because you were other dietitian coming through to psych you psychologically, mentally and stuff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a very great platform.
Wow.
Yeah.
You ever say bisa say oko DiAsa no judges no obi kan bibia one pair ananso say e bia meka say audience no omo so kan bibi ma ne bu wabem comment ben e na wote ya anya wo de ene de ye wo de.
Okay. Me PM per se, my whole life I've been like a movie.
Okay.
So when you walk on the road, people will be they'll be doing their own stuff. I'm used to. Once ya so ni say. Oko baby ya. O so dodo. Sabe o bra size. Yes, e koyo what do you call it?
China na.
Shop or and I say.
Turkey.
Or more can be because of bra. You say yes, so tonight.
I just said that pam bra size.
Yes, I say so all these things I'm used to.
Okay.
So can you idea say ma we be call school ni idea. Me say me na be call me mama. E be call school, be call do school. No be a pie.
Wow.
E be work.
Wow. Wow.
So I'm used to. So nothing like negative comments really push me because I'm used to. Unless maybe I want to mind you.
Okay.
When I want to mind you, then me and you, we are on the edge. You go down with me.
Hey.
Because I won't let you. Won't think sometimes wrong. So our comments we say no. Away we down.
Away we down.
A bit more to me a committee suicide. Even just recently, Lady Way, Mona Lisa Stevens, yes, we free. Honestly, you say. Honestly, not your body positivity ambassador.
Okay.
Because within the page, it's not also encouraging Crawford to slim near there to live. Some lady be on also all looking up to her. No, also comments near there, so committee suicide.
Hey.
Yes, Obi-Wan more to me, but me PM dear, I don't care.
Wow.
I want to tell you, I don't care.
I like your confidence.
I don't care.
Wow.
I quite remember me ma call me photo shoots. Nenya me adom. Big girls online. What Ajingano, ama matadi a sponsor na kwa mi photo shoot. Na ma post yo, minka obia. Na lady bia be cho wasi. How de ka mami animal obi anka. Minka so considerate. Wakofa animal one mi skin color yepe. I see me ye hippopotamus. Are you serious?
It's a lie. Oh, serious.
Na me see me go papa. Omo afa no hanche no. Omo man life here miserable. Na me call ni DM. Na me nan so boko die. O ye sure so sorry ye. Baby like obi abonana and obi na kontokwa like oni me die. Then e ye no. When me reply me na me call the photos. Fanche me no me twemo. Sabe ne ho on same me bi. Ne ho nya fe.
Wow.
Iti on mama who say no people like this no. They don't have also more data 2 cities no mama be did. Sometimes a matured person who wants to tell you the truth. Me sometimes when I post, people come to my DM. Oh, I want you to lose weight.
Oh wow.
They will tell you the truth.
Okay.
I have so many people. Oh PM. No, I want to, such people. I pay attention to them because someone. Sorry. They have the mind.
Okay.
You get it. But those ones, the other ones. Oh.
Wow.
So,
who you be a PM ubufuntem?
Sometimes say first, when people say those things, I just watch it. I won't reply. Be sure I don't reply.
Okay.
I say, I end the panic.
Okay.
No, I continue. No, aba.
Okay.
Just recently, me posted where I'm a short skits near.
Oh,
so
okay.
just recently, me posted here. Some lady me posted was say, as if she eats or the whole village. So yeah, so she wants your village to also eat. So where is your village? Yes, you go back to when you don't do them like that. They'll bully you, they intimidate you.
Oh, okay.
They'll put you back to your shop.
Okay.
It's not easy for a plus size woman to stand on social media. TikTok now, but most of plus size
yeah.
And most of plus size groups need reality shows and are boosting most of them their confidence.
Yeah.
So when you do that, you're not helping us. One will be on my own me confidence. No, okay, 1 2 okay, and had a MPMU. Obi on ma or bema back to back. I have a friend who stays and osu behind the papaya Auntie Linda. Or no cast or swan back to back or no obey your woman while we soon.
PM, are you emotional type? Oh, sign a quick tempered and only a person you.
Me a honey ho. As a human being there, you need to you can't say you be low.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I'm not a saint. So far I say I dear wow betting in I won't say I'm a quick tempered person. I won't say I'm too emotional.
Okay.
But I'm in between.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sanya wotie no. Eya etoda wabemubu.
Yeah.
Wow. Asking how.
Sometimes when you see all these comments and stuff, it gets to you. Me, I won't lie. Sometimes it gets to me, and I feel to miss the person that will fight. It gets to me to the core. Okay. Seriously, it gets to me. I want to just meet the person. Then I ask the person why.
So edentina etoda eya anasanya wotie no wabem ebu edenti.
You know, especially when people make it look like plus size people don't deserve to be at a certain place.
Okay.
In our industry like this, people the focus are on people are omoye so slim near there. Plus size for no ebimbenya most of we I just say while who link her a bit me push you na say we link here back up na say who near connection. What's the make say? And I can say when you say adverts we say ni panic to me creating money for plus size side. You bet me a contact to be a plus size to get to you.
Okay.
You understand? Sometimes make you feel say, hey, also suma will suit you. And sometimes social media to plays a very big role. Because sometimes we can be looking nice, nanny way, baby or near and say, and you say when this person we need then I have to try it say because what you say people are looking up to that person to get more things.
Ukokoye bibi ore a woken ya. Ehimfa e na fat no odi begu because one obetwetwe ebia wonan ebia se bi woyem kakra na odi akogu koto se etuo yi so na ayese story be odi eno na ehimfa na odi be kakogu. Okay,
so bibi no your in case of best our body enhancement your types be brave.
Okay,
in case or ambassador son okay, then maybe you do with your stomach. Okay. Open now person or 9 year pencil maybe say person na be pencil 9 year pencil o koto dwina be your
me kra dem 9 year pencil ntimi pa cho me person o so 9 year pencil.
You know yes and now say na baby one ma you want to mold it.
Oh, okay.
You know, on city social media, most ladies there, some of us look up to them, and others to look up to us. Okay, you understand? Yeah. So there's certain things on mobile put you know, we feel say okay, lady way send your comfort. I shall be who change your looks kakra. Then also people will come into your DM, you get deals and things. So you want to channel to where the person is also going.
Enipo ye slim and as emma wo mu ye slim a as a word marry o man say me hu ha wa meka no as wani diomachi as a wo person o ye to say ma o mu ye slim na tem bia wish ni say o person o ye to say o mu ana.
Oh, okay. So me hu ladies o mu ye slim I admire them, but right now I can't do anything about it.
Okay.
So I said, oh, you look beautiful. I like what you're wearing.
Okay.
Fine. So me too. I'll look onto that. and I'll shape myself. Oh, your plus size I want. It depends on how you work on yourself.
Okay.
Well, the way
Mama bebem sisi ya.
Senya obeshe watadi.
Okay. How I'll be dressed.
Senya also sometimes your dresses be on master plus size. Osha e be exposed to be brave. Obi hu a go wear crap and na own sister.
Okay.
Inti a type of dress a obesha e betimi a module a shape.
Okay.
Nti na me kana say.
Okay. Me ti ase pa. It is a o san be wi ase bi mu a. Ka be pese o man say obeye slim. Anase. Obey medium.
Maybe in between. At least size 12 won't be bad.
Okay, it is a one kasa oh bow one. It's a one kasa bow one. I mean shape be and as a size be and I can send our be pese over bow.
Already yes, me challenge you. Me challenge you. But at least I make on a size 12, you know.
Oh, okay.
I like my breasts a little bit yet go. My stomach to go. I like my buttocks.
Okay, wow. Okay, so say now what to hono. We are size ahe.
215 kg. Yeah.
Weigh 215 kg.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a kawunya ya nka be weigh sense here.
Yeah, I mean 95.
95. And a obrizer size and so you're saying.
Which I don't really know. Me use me old ones no. And
old ones no.
I don't recall. I just say and who say no ma koshe we know to use it. I don't. It makes me maybe 46 GD. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure.
Eti mema ushia mema sign ya omuhu esifa.
Okay, we have people who they don't like plus size women.
Okay.
They don't. It's a no. It's a turn off.
Oh, okay.
And sorry, I can't do that about me. Okay. You know. And we have others. Oh, the love plus size woman.
So do you have a boyfriend?
Oh, Nayas.
Yes, darling. Yeah, no, I want you to tell us. Do you have a boyfriend? Or do you have boyfriends?
Hey, boyfriends, yeah. There are many. Okay, my boyfriend's out there. If you know yourself, kisses to you.
Yeah, do you have a boyfriend?
Oh, nice,
do you have serious
baby.
Boyfriend?
Oh.
Mama, 18 person obemwa obetimi abemwa daroma. Do you have a boyfriend? How do you hear me pa?
Okay, maybe I think I feel maybe I'm in something serious, and maybe that person is not feeling and isn't. We are in a relationship, you know.
Okay.
So I can't say. Are you sure we are? Because
what's nature?
I don't know.
Is it because I want you na said ye?
To say, oh no, I won't say I have people I'm talking to. Yeah. Let me put it that way.
When call out, do you have a boyfriend? You say, as I want you who be, as I only GDB.
That be me person me Ginny Pana. Obi banu etum say me boyfriend. Best or no on for me serious.
Okay.
So me ma for the walk up na edu baby I said on time check it up near there. No, yeah, same kind of boyfriend. Oh mommy sikebi. Me nyashe. What do I say? Sorry, I'm not saying that, but it's understand.
One nante sase o call o baby. And a baby be a chase you abeji wo number set na need to wo person na with another.
Oh, so many times.
So many times.
So many times.
Wow.
Yeah. Let me correct myself before people start to fight me.
Okay.
I have a boyfriend.
Okay.
I have someone serious.
Okay.
Unless God knows best.
Okay.
Let's see. So very soon, save the dates will be coming.
Oh, really?
Finally, yeah.
Wow. Finally. Oh, okay. It's yen sheni mu dabe. We worried dabe.
Very soon. Very soon.
Oh, say.
Very soon.
Very soon.
Soon can be anywhere. It can be
tomorrow.
December. It can be July. It can be anywhere. So save the date. And also, a bit more. I mean, use so platform in Kabibi. Unfortunately, because yeah, music video mobi na our video. Me share gun near there.
Okay.
So people have this miscommunication. Say I'm already married. It's not true.
Okay.
I'm not married.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm about to.
Oh, okay.
So when you're sleeping, pray for me.
Okay.
At least I'll be the second largest plus size woman in the world, Ghana, and the world to get married.
Wow.
So you'll be there. Maybe you with me.
There be. Men to us one. PM wedding fee saying.
My age.
Yes, we
I don't like to say my age.
No, tell us how old are you? We want to know. Say wedding fee say.
Yeah, you know, yes, age there, yeah, na. Yen time can't.
No, but you see who PM unfair wedding. We want to know. It was a show where a life experience.
Okay.
A show.
Let me say I'm in my late 20s.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
And they're when you 29.
Yeah.
Wow. When ya anasafe na ubenya 29.
Oh me birthday 19th no. 19th January.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Opportunities be na dia call DiAsa no ebibi amount.
Oh, okay. Through DiAsa no, I've worked with people, worked with Stone Boy. That was last year with the track, Wine with Spice Official. I've done an advert for the other spices. A few works.
So into no person.
Yeah. With featuring Pam Eugene. I done an advert for Glow.
It's opportunities we no is because of DiAsa and the mouse we na.
Yeah, let me see. It's because of DiAsa.
Good.
Because I didn't know since me call DiAsa no. Even though some call me sexual, people know me, but not yet too much.
But DiAsa the man,
yeah. So let me the shoot up from there. They be me grateful say, me call ye because me call ye no come me say ka woni me.
Debut.
Come mama ka woni me. And so I'm grateful for them.
Wow.
For making PM to become PM.
And we are proud of you. You're so beautiful.
And because of you to DiAsa now, I've started not long ago, just like last week. Now I have my own ushering services. That is PM ushering service. In case you are doing, we want girls to.
Are they equally plus size girls?
I'm targeting plus size, but I want to mix.
Can it trick? I kind of rough no can
ushering services.
Okay.
So me target me a plus size curvy women, but not plus size like me. No, curvy women, and mix with young slim ladies to blend. Yeah, because don't see plus size. The reason for it is to empower plus size women. Okay.
Me tell you say go for make us celebrities no, and as go for how the music videos pa. If you say we say who date celebrities ni bia na na omutai edu music videos na say because yentia say o te chapa e bia na ja one or two people bi o ma who date wo ma ye de yenim enu ti na adwuma ne ba ya na che say pa na o ma frɛ wo no ma ye hu e.
Oh, okay. I'm not dating any musician. I'm not dating anyone. Sometimes God connects people with you. You don't know.
Okay.
So I'll thank Bab's Direction, and I'll made that J Songs in Swasi or Makati, and I made that SBO Ebenezer because true or no, na me call ni Kechemucha no darling video, no.
Okay.
And the likes of a whole lot of people. I'm sorry if I couldn't mention your name.
All right.
Grateful. Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. Brema, you try homra sama.
The American say, "Oh, share their all kana." Not just say the confidence level is very, very high.
Okay.
Obiti baby or share Cecilia. Emma wa bremumbu. Okay. Say their uti biya nyakuponi mientia or yeosa. At the end of the day, it's always good to say, "Obe upgrade, you enhance." Ebi ana o ma basa so kakra. Inti me kwa ko trimi ana say me ko gym na ma ye fit. But that doesn't mean say nyakupon wambo ye. Okay. So their PM Eka right from the word go now. She has this confidence. And mentally, she has worked on her mental health. Okay. And secondly, she's a very strong person. Oh, okay. Lastly, she's not lazy. Okay. Because at the end of the day, Osha the way animuye do. No to me call audition. Or say Osha Nekasa or say me call audition with APES. Say Omobe family na my advert. She put in the work. She wasn't just there na fan say say. So at the end of the day, her work is paying off. Wow. So don't ever. This is the time, Ghana for say I appreciate the work. We have PM. This is what she's doing. Wow. Women must learn to support each other. Who your banner can comment at here and control the phone because at the end of the day, she's putting in the work. Listen to her carefully. She has this confidence. I want second under, one nephew, Osi okoye a person okoye advert and on asa koye so okoye audition for DiAsa and she has been to an audition to SS Plus.
Okay.
So this is someone which is putting in the work. The least you have to do is when you buy your 2 CDs data, you come in line. Come and type, madam, admire your strength, admire your confidence, admire your beauty. I'm looking up to you. You might not be plus size, but who's sorry, I was secretary wada. Want to mean call baby and so some your talent. And I only name directors as producers as error wrong who they mom. But she didn't do that.
Okay.
She has to go through the right process. And a nyankopo hataso or boadi or bonadi or so yameba or see me page out. So why the envy? Why must you come and hate? The only thing I'll be any so to see these dates and now only show crown your cardias and all Baba transfer phone. Rebecca Samami, why are dear?
Wow.
Because she has put in the work. It's I say appreciating.
Wow.
Yeah, and chairman Kobase, yeah, PM na. Because for all you know, if you are not the whole of Africa, she's the only plus side to win reality show.
Yeah.
For research, for all you know, if you are not the whole of Africa, only the part more do or super, what to me really reality show. It's Ghana, you are there, Sombo. But Ube call Ube trolling, you'll be bullying her. You'll be saying things that will make her crawl back into her shell. Ube jeans, oh, yeah, the papi. And soon, in Kaya Bruni, be a year no winning ya. Ube cock born Samama. It's hard I appreciate it.
Okay.
Me cry fast meet you and I be like, hey, and then we cry for my dash.
Okay, so
I mean, I applaud her and she has done so when I hope say for a shame. Obi said them with Susan, soon. Say, Raddy Miss Sunduren, I say, me patch my baby, maybe crash at them, Susan, I mean, your by me, yes, Pie, Saturday, Papa, believe in yourself and put
proud
on that
of yourself.
Armor and go out there. There's something special waiting for you.
Okay.
Because Nyankopon on your mistake.
Nyankopon on your mistake. Na mention mommy nyina hanam twa me hombra. Ebisa for me enye aboafo enkrato enfambra. Na yehese ne ne mekuya wanhwa ne yentimi amfa phone calls yentimi ampeke calls anje wadwenchiro. Enu nti number na eda o screen anim bomodi yana for adwenchire nyina efa WhatsApp audio aye maye typing so a type natural the person with trauma PMB a wadwene bia ka afache etwa me ho abaisia Abusia for me mo akwa ababiem enase kese emfa nkoma aboafo wona soma se nyina papa go furniture enkunwa papa efi Jeffas mixture heba medicine ba ko purchase Ghana krum ha de kenkon itu yare bia ase Jeffas P capsules so emema as I say power I angel beverages angel drinks I Debbie's closet cute cat palo kwajo shoes beautiful ensemble Oma nkon were nko bisa ne se DiAsa car na woje ye ne senso cars na woje ye e hon sensem et se was yet is any bufu e no sign the call e ampa anase ampa yeah odo
Yes.
DiAsa urini ye no ye ma o cars dodo sen yet say ye ma o cars no see ye ma o car no ye sign free winsem eno na hu sensem to say
Oh, intisa.
okay
Intisa. Obia like maybe I'll bet it's news false news.
okay
Yeah, nipa no print ho a blog and so on she dan do musa. Yeah, ka near my no. Okay, me can say me de ho. Eno kwa ne me de buy.
oh wow
Yeah.
how many years ni
That was from 2019. It's a bugusha.
6 years.
Yeah.
And I still and now we use you.
That's right. Nti mi hwe ahwe say bizitu bisusu na matoka eso dem na mia you know
na otina ma
so be bi so
what you say ye wi anado number na toja na otina so sorry otina ka ni mu a otai ne taadwo
me kwan so nye nti de bia me to short
wonye sure say ye woto no ene tai ebubu shots
me kwan nye I know you have to be realistic me knew MP Mr. Bomodi abe mami why Mr. me kwan nye nti de bia
okay
tire anjoa shocks best say
Okay.
What
hips size no saying or to hips no.
Which I can't tell.
Tape measure no.
Basically I 80.
80.
Yeah.
Or hips and quite 80.
Basically 80.
Wow. I say I what them when you talk and watching what can you know. And what's that?
Once a time na nyame boy no. Momo pentem free ho dodo. You think amunya wo chema nyame anko be hihye wo ka.
Ko be say come at say wa hihye no. Yeah, that was why PM. Send ya wo kan. Yeah, yes, I can see you too kwan ya. Easy, yetimi tina plane mu. E ma ye comfortable. Abra DiAsa, uri ni ye no. Ye de ko Dubai no. Yes, is it Emirate or plane? No make say yes plane no. One kum. E ba ne sen, e no so ho nsem eni say. No clear and I say.
That issue there, I don't want to talk about it because me planning Dubai no. Me planning and say I say want to kwada na like or me da kra na me machine me ma put my bag na ma say boko there. Say ma me too kwan yo. But me come my me blue hair, rasta bi pa, Charlie. Aje me foot, aje me chat. The combination need the so set size and what I say.
And a ban say.
Me go you am sure many one say, "Mommy, pin
me do
I go go dream play time na help pilot before do be see for.
Wow. Na plane be is Emirates and
so you could buy so Emirates. So
oh wow.
You go do a canter ho no. And na ohwe mani ma o send me first na ye three any imboso man ne ko. Nti you go do a honom no. Ohwe mani ma say where are your people your people like in Penifona and your moko no. Na so omuna omujina ho no. No say okay. See how I mean so mo bese o man o makasa but me dey me jina ho ne me bag na me say ready. Many guys ain't coming, Mr. Many guys ain't. At that time, now my voice near too low to yami aunt.
Telling was but time now will be too quiet. No, yeah, G details. Eddie ma, make us say plain na okofon. Okay. Ade penny for no. An kasenia or size ni senia what see no plus size na nchrew and na so man ko secho because that are not you are trending all over the world.
Yeah, so initially no.
And there are some penny for no so no omu ni mo ana. Okay,
initially no. And no make us say management name about that because what I know ni say omu nim say bit to coin no mo je ye way na ye details ye passport ye BBA. Okay. But I say me dey no ye last minute. Later cry na say me passport no mo ka share my friend we are vague. With events or taifa. No mo ka share ni ma me try me passport the call ye dey. Mom. Okay. But whatever some movie any further arrangements, any steps need dear. Me personally, I don't know.
Oh, okay. But I don't know young can say I don't know how me fa emirate that, but my fa KLM that. Say in case in KB ye talk other side who nyina ma e bia 3 seats ni nyina ma na waiting me comfortable ewom eno no o man try and as o man try other airline and as a bibisa.
Okay, so you go do ho no omo bisa me say me tu kwan da.
Okay.
And I mean so there me dey no kwenti no minim sanka sa na nke bebo aba
ka so wetu kwan da
na nka me am ko two plane na nka omo ade o me ye mosoro ho na nka omo dey aye. And I'm some coca said there because no credit or can because yes it's a want to find that sometimes they are not a style. Oh okay. It's me so make I said that because not other line because I don't know yes sure yes I could do Krobi so and what was to go Dubai. Okay. It's me so make I say me chance it there I know the being too kind that.
Kesen komo omu tra business class man because I know utimi dem sene anka oto na ye bagayam no atimi dem jeja ho to baby ya but e bia na economy no
we say omon fa first class man and first class no so no very expensive. Okay. In those things program no. Okay. Omo sha se enche okay. You know utimi say budget no scanner no ordin. Okay. Nti na ma social media flaring up no mass miss Connie. But you say no, on base season 5 no must settle differences say we are okay.
Okay. So season 5 no be sign akọ.
Dabio, I'm done with them. Like the ambassador me only say, oh since omoko Dubai. Say me man Kobi.
Yeah, I know.
Into no man Kobi ni akoye nsem lawyer ni issue back and forth no.
I didn't see na wo ma wo lawyer ebe.
Me mama me lawyer be mo. Since nothing can for since my lawyer a seal Emirates.
Okay.
Into me lawyer no was to help them to process things.
Oh, okay.
So I know the miscommunication making look like say no, it wasn't like that.
Okay.
But later, Papa enemy kasa promises be by me and dear.
Okay.
But promises now ain't me for free. But I ain't they no Sikania was some the mom in the day. Omoye before DiAsa season 5 eba.
Okay.
So omoye be on say that was on as 3 years ago.
Oh, okay. It's not just say uchrima omoye went to me anko no.
Yeah,
how omo hu sa how omoye
how they have me pa
compensate you.
They did.
Okay. How for how many months?
And yeah, for months too.
For years.
For years, me pa because the year currently say me kana and shimi gidi because now you know through that no spread it throughout to say I say ija ato remu no a call so all over the world.
Wow.
So you know I had the privilege to say BBC ni me be interview.
Okay.
So I went to various platforms back to back. So I see it's a 50-50 no. Through negativity no God made it to be grace.
And Tebasa na wonam for make say o colleagues ni di kan call ya wan kono. Say na wo feel at that time no.
I felt
bad.
I felt bad.
Tu hu am sa na e de na ye wo.
Okay, I felt bad. Na me ra ho. But now most of times no me din PM no kwani en frame. Lady nan the uncle one couple me sometimes me ti obi a no because when you lady way so that be when you for say I'm say uni me me na lady na one couple no say papa that issue no come to you but man show no they say I know that you get it yeah so
oh wow and why adwene so besan ye to kwan bi
Debbie ayana me nya sometimes I want to travel to explore to know how other plus size feel, you know, because it seems like social media plus size people are shy in other countries who to say they are doing their best but ain't enough. Sometimes I wish to travel to mingle with them to not have me too quite as my bahy. I am going to be a meeting wow.
And to send ya okay PM. Send ya ho ofene send ya wusiti. Enti wunya pani bia na so bia ma onfa I mean uncha first class ni bi ma untu kan.
Oh okay. On sinti nkofo hu mi a on feel say oh dey say obodi a ukite the MP for body o MP so minim MP ni bia o
sa
me hu ayi mo station president ya na TV so me hu the experts na TV so
yeah papa doctor Kwekwotin okay nti o said papa doctor ne to ayi NF show camera ni mo na fa ka kire no pa ne chewe why oni empenifo boom din pa show camera ni doctor Kweku
Otin president 1 o si ade yi o obema o si mama beni bi nka ho
onsinsuo ma ansa na wa ham
ya kula wa no ntia so bebu be
ma o tumi di kenten ko
sio
oya ade yi
dada Mr. me power show nkebe ya mpacho okay twa me surprise at least 1 week vacation bi kwa brochire bi baby with the US and Donald Trump say no green card no entry the baby na obi ehu say why ye ni nyina I know you can do it you too
so mama what question be o pese o de ma PM na wrap up.
Na me bisa se na wo se uni obi budi nkomo ni ade. Enti na se me bisa se na se dia wo tie nyama dosu o favorite sex position den.
Oh, okay. Initially, my favorite sex position. Yeah, doggy.
Why doggy? Why? I didn't hear.
Yeah, especially okay, make it to myself. Yeah, I have a belief say yeah, it's so no for easy penetration.
Okay.
Yeah. Now nipa no ombre, so you all be more comfortable. Now we're participating more for money now more enjoy to get to the straight palon. Okay. Yeah.
I think say kakra me de be kan concerning nkomo ayedi so far ni say ade nyina mu no we try not to say be pull you down, but for health wise health reasons make I say there are so many options as in losing weight. Now wouldn't come on o ha so won to me na won jindi po so obetumi anti o pesa obe ha wa fanisa. But your phobia who call internet they were way bigger. We've seen 600 pounds, we've seen 1,200 pounds, and they've equally lost it. And I'm at TBBF and a gaslight sleeve. Gaslight sleeve, no. You find say you funko to kona a 10%, no. Almost chat emu 8%. Etubu. No ma pam. Naka 2%. Inti a day no. So to me the dokono ball back. Because of say you try 8% na 2 egunu. To me the dokono ball back. Ube di krabia on some you nupa waiting di na wamen. And also boa for weight a process. So concerning weight loss journey, there are so many ways that you can go about it. To me, if you really want to do it, if only you can do it.
Okay.
Because I'm equally an example. Say my for me will be a but so call me page. I work out. I take my eating habits seriously. I'm on diet, everything. Now I'm getting back in shape. The body is such in a way. So programming a response.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, Mama, can I respond?
Yes, please.
Okay. It's not
Mama,
like
thank you.
It's not like say even though since the me plus no, I don't want to try to live a healthy lifestyle.
Okay.
So talking about gastric sleeve, no.
Yes, please.
Initially, I was about to. Why the meanings are going to I don't know.
Oh, okay.
You know, I didn't want to say it on camera.
Oh no. Feel free. No, because maybe I will back and be me so just feel free and talk.
So Alex Charming, thank you very much. Dagati girl, she's a blogger. She's been part of this journey.
Yeah, I know Dagati.
Yeah, girl. With Lily, she came with the idea that we should try and do that.
The gas is yeah.
So yeah, investigation idea. That's kind of no day. But initially, I had someone who have already come into the pipeline. There is this woman. She's a doctor.
Okay.
But me we finidi. By a friend, Dr. Sifa. Minyani true blogger Gorgeon.
Okay.
So I say in common gusu koso weight.
It's in the pipeline.
And so okay. I don't want to put it out there yet. Okay. But whoever wants to help. Who want to help and want to support, say PM to lose weight. Why not? I'm not saying I don't want to lose weight. I want to, have a different body to feel that one as well. So anybody can, come and join us to help me. I'm pleading everybody to come and join me and help me. Thank you.
So thank you so much. Inti say na pese o ma shooting no. But no so esobeti you how.
Oh, I mean, so and some Dr. Sifa be catching about or catch me, and I'm making home research.
Okay.
I home research near there, it doesn't. I say from last year, and I just sent Cardinisi, and also you call roughly by January.
Okay.
But I say there is some step back and forth, so we need people on board. But me, I don't really talk. I don't really talk. It say me here be crowd. Won't say be meeting say me. So people may think say me want me home AC. But I was thinking, wow, maybe this is my first time pleading for people to come and help me. I don't do that.
Okay.
I don't do that.
There's nothing wrong in doing it, sis.
Oh yeah.
But sometimes, you know, the perception of this our society is kind of something else. So from last year, Dagati Bedi Mihwa Dance, my family, everybody, I'm Dr. Maxwell Legon campus. He's the one taking in charge of my dieting and stuff. From last year, I've not Mindy carbohydrate food. I'm strictly doing keto diet. So me past last year videos near the there was a change itself. You know, so I actually what I base on
doctors in a year, sure say, and near my mama wa no improvement. Also better because enya wo kon mu na e betuto mu no e na kire say wo improvement say also day.
And I'm person me explain say say keto diet you can't do it forever.
Oh okay.
Because one she are 9 recently cry most the plus size people are trying to lose weight. It beats me fan who cry.
Oh okay.
Yes. You can't do some diet be on my you can't do it forever. So you have to diet now call hospital to check yourself. To do other little stuff. Into the then 3 days cramming my doctor Nikasai. Okay. So we have to reset it again because I can't do that forever.
Okay. Doctors
never be saying improvement gidi. You don't put it on air. Most of the people will be so much they want to, but me, I want it in a way, me probably be home 2 years time, they'll see the transformation. That's how I want it. Okay. But I want say mama kind and mama made tipping in kakra. But those who are with me to say short boy multimedia money, usumoni one face more. They've been with me because they call hospital. I mean, you are more, you know. I have people who are so.
O pressure ta akosoro pa wo pressure wono pressure nrubi
no
okay but wo wa we ade kakra na wa bre
yes
okay yes and I wono pressure nrubi anso
dabi
okay but wo nrubi a offer a support o health any ade e be a vitamin bibia wono bibia oh okay wo de nsuo nko a okay
nsuo nko am no ejo just recently I'm person me call hospital for a little checkup because of me and I'm starting to know some little changes but why no ntade bi am sha then times me sha na echechire me
okay
me toy na echechire ma ha no but recently me times emission no say aye we but don't see me so no me body no mu yeju so you won't see it just and then but me within myself you know I'll feel certain little changes. But if I want serious, rigorous media, a bit check.
Thank you. PM, mo amosun say no. Misre mi bisa ebusuafo momfa nche me. Mo ye den ne ya hohoro sebi moto ene ebia ebusuafo momfa nche me. Mo ye na mo horo moturu mo ye na sebi mo horo ma he mo we dey na mo huru mo be bia because ya na dodo na wo mo ka say mo amoso no sometimes mo ntimi wash mo ho ye echen yen na say yen hyeda nso no but me bebre na wo no mo a yen hyeda nso no kra no yen di ye huni echen mo a mo so no nti mo ye den na mo huru any ade
oh okay Senya slim for cram on sana yin aketfo yin see cry home. Okay. You use clean water or maybe salt water with warm water to just clean yourself. Sometimes lemon with to once into honey. A bit more use body splash.
Oh okay.
For me I don't use that.
Okay.
Baby a bubu egusi no.
Okay.
Yeah, a bit more so use lemon.
Okay.
Any a jar. Okay. So
okay.
No mudia because you all know since everybody in baby ebubuguso no one since sometimes a whole team here dry, sometimes a whole team here watch you. Okay. The whole day sentence think banner. It we and no gloves.
Oh yeah.
Water.
Yes.
Yeah, you see a crew. Okay. So what you slim people is nothing special. The only thing is that your extra body,
Okay.
But apart from the things you people use, that's the same thing.
So apart from say okay cancer na ma we nyina no PM ye pese wanka sankasa me bisa wanka sankasa oye den na wo ho sabe wase wa hemu okoto ana wo gina ho ana because e ya desua e na yesua ni nyina ka experience ne ho bi yeah.
Okay, it depending on the type, Ebi betime gina or to wash themselves from their back to their front. Ebi betime say.
But oh yeah den e na wo horo sa wo ho no ni nyina private part.
And I make sure say me betime gina or betime say. Sometimes I feel like my stress na me go to jail I can't.
Okay,
It's meeting so you get the time to do more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's meeting up with Nakitwa so from Echimeko? Sadi, it's not so
Chimoko. Send me ye journey.
Oh, okay. If you are never pan ya ope.
Rice.
Okay, and what?
Rice and stew, jollof, cabbage stew. Adriani be a me favorite food though.
Okay.
Bibia go. So far as my stomach is okay, but now I don't eat those. So.
Wow. Mama, for final we bring me yapon na fi no.
Okay, kakra me the
system too full na.
Me over time.
Okay.
Nti me kasafa raising up kola ho ase omunyi enye obese too much no.
Okay.
Yen hwe kola no me didie mu. Awofo ne yen bo omo.
Okay.
Akola bi o ho a o peduane.
Okay.
Like but mother no. Wona say utimi control no.
Okay.
Because ono no sa onim di oye. Eya na ebi so genetic e we ebusuanim. Nti no we den crap na obe kese debi ubetumi a control.
Okay.
Nti na awofo no embre mo mbo ankwala no because uwo no na uhwe na say bia okita sa jeans na otu na wona we mother no parents no wona aboa no nti at early stage no ubetumi amana start training as in gym me ba second boy 11 years okọ gym amede ne ko. I'm telling him say you need to get fit and be in good shape because he's aspiring to become a footballer. Into who aspires to become footballer and so to me build wakuma for America anytime into the parents yen hwe nkwala na yen bo omo who sade ne kura no sakase no one only way na it will always controllable ubetimi a control right from the word go dieting and the working out no implementing my kwala no fashion aging obenyi no beka say hey waboa mi o my enja ne sa keke say oya kwala na so so no ekese jobo na efe debi ye mo ankwala no
na me sure mama say to nsafra o bai PM but show camera nim na o final ways na fe.
Okay. Me final ways me do DiAsa with it for new DiAsa to working the journey with me da Ken Prince promotion ono ane me manager one or square cram me mo bia oboa me to the journey ni nyina o so ma say especially me mama happy birthday in advance. Yeah, 29th May, my birthday. Happy birthday. Lydia Setche.
Into wishing, of course, so. Okay,
happy birthday, Lydia Setche. Ya me sure no nyo kese mama ba ko pe. Mata de share me Janelle Vuch or TikTok. Uboni din ya obehu no ho. And na me way me ushering service in patch on social media, oko Instagram, oko Snap, oko TikTok. Afeni abafufo into wedding open girls or shesa me patcho PM ushering service.
Okay.
Your events are commitment. Patcho mumba me na minya bibi kakra na mitimi ma me so nti. Why?
And sepa ya kan nyina final ways then.
Me final ways ni say believe in yourself, love yourself, don't let people make you look like don't let people intimidate you. And don't listen to friends. They'll be the same one. We have friends who will push you. They say people will bring you down. Just pray to God. Let God be your friend and your everything. It's a girl PM.
Na me bisa me ref. Na me bisa say woni nam fontem to say but say ye brain nti ya pon. Woni nam fontem mami just 1 minute pe. Senia shape ni tie ni senia wo tie no. Any patch ben, one in them for entem at the same.
Okay.
And as Adam for be a betray you, a betray one.
Okay, so minion says, "Ma, now my friend be a menino ho. Me and I'm bony in Belinda. Unfortunately, we're free. Okay. So, yeah, she was everything. Maybe I will be my friend and a power year in your mirror. She'll be there. Okay. But unfortunately, friend be a minya. Oko umpina train wakoka. Ena also piscaba. Ena me missing my boy whom mobile non send you be.
Okay.
Now my boy I send you car now they are bar. Now say me made the young pen per questions. Now me need pay baby some questions about tell me about your friend. You just have to keep quiet because you don't I don't know you saw no life. I can say say I see I know working there. You do voice issue. And I say baby na quiet the brain and mommy relationship say.
Oh.
Yeah. And a friend we once helped. I really liked her a lot. But so to me kojina baby can say PM there. Me sure say maybe a bit me worry.
Oh.
So these things made me stronger. These things make me know say my God is not done with me yet.
Yes.
So things like this, it doesn't weigh me down. So me like this, apart from I lost my friend, I have friends like Sylvia like this, she or La Paz or any they always there for me. But at the end of the day, all these little things, Amami will say, I'll give you a space as a friend, but I won't do too much on your side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. But your number to John case say obi person of we now person we need.
Me ocean service no. Me patch ejumani pom patch mo be and for me for a strictly for ejuman. I'm begging you guys. 0242 840181. Ocean service nipe, I beg you.
For number need to join me now social media handles.
0242 840181. The social media handle PM Rains on Instagram, TikTok PM Rains, Facebook PM Rains, everywhere PM Rains.
PM Nyame Shao NGO TV that's say to suffer wa obai Nyame Shao pa ichia mama Nyame nkosombo ne ho ban e wish the happy birthday Nyame nkosomshira no nya ne kese pa no ma ne nkwa no ntena se no ntumi enya wakoma onji on woto ne nan so
aware ne ye baby
aware ne ejina ye baby
yes
aware we de ye mfa na agro di kura Nyame nshira mama fa telephone number etudwa
yo pacho my number is 0245 134600 me eduane bia o pedua me ya no kama
okay pacho yes bo number ni
my number no is 0245 134600. Let's pick one.
Mama, only PM Nyamisha mo pass ye tunza fe mo mobile. Ebusia aha bread mema kwan ne di dwumadi no ye de asi Nyankopon koso onhraw. Onye okese mame, ommo ho ban mame. Seda ne da unya bre na ohwe yi dukwasi adase yo se enye na yas experiences me ni bebia me ko isanse misua ne ma bebre e di free. Ye sanso etunsa free counselors ekukudam for anampo se asofo ana wona wakasa ekwachi ne to akoma so ediom eba show ne so nyame onhya pa enase kese enkoma aboafo a wona so masen nyina Papago furniture Jeffas mixture Jeffas pea capsules Angel beverages Debbie's closet Cute cat parlor Kwejo shoes Nyankopon onkoso onyamukese that's Sunday, Ebesan, Asia. Original. Nayas.